Hey, Star Power, this is Michael Tritthart. Super excited about the class that we have coming up as a follow-up to the conference that we did a couple months ago. This is going to be a class that we're going to be doing in Indianapolis, and it's going to be on October 10th. And this is a full hands-on workshop on Google. Many of you were at my conference breakout session that we touched just a little bit on Google. This is a session where I want you to bring your laptop, bring your tablet. We're actually going to go in and set a lot of this up right there in the session. So this is one that you definitely don't want to miss. I've got people who have set this up and they easily make over $200,000 to $300,000 a year, year over year with these free tools. So come in, bring your laptop, be ready to apply this. One of the best parts about this as well is after the session, we're going to have a mastermind session from 3 to 4:30 p.m. Definitely don't want to miss out on that. Huge referral opportunities, great connections with all the other Star Power members. This is going to be a class that you guys do not want to miss. So RSVP below, and I'll see you guys in Indy. Thanks.